Agencies charge thousands. Do-it-yourself tools take forever. I'm building something in between. When you start a business, branding becomes a problem. You need a logo, colors, a website, maybe even social media. Agencies are expensive, freelancers are inconsistent, AI is too generic. And if you do want to work with AI, either you would have to be able to prompt or do vibe coding, and all of it is time-consuming. So where do you go? Why, here, of course. Resuchron is a platform that gives startups and creators ready-to-use professional branding bundles, tailored to different industries. Instead of starting from scratch, you start with structure. How does it work? Number 1, you choose a branding bundle made for your industry. Number 2, you get assets, which include a functioning website, flyers, brochures, business cards, you name it. You customize it yourself, follow the tutorial, or get help if needed. And you launch faster without agency costs. So what makes Resuchron different? This is not an agency, it's not an AI tool, and it is not just templates. It's a whole system designed to give you a professional head start. Branding always changes, so no need to pay thousands in the beginning. If you want a fully customized agency brand right from the start, come here. This is not for you. Right now, Resuchron is in development. I'm building it with real founders, not assumptions. If this sounds useful to you, join the waiting list and answer a short survey. Your feedback directly shapes what I build next. This is just the beginning.